Prosecco girlies, listen up because there is a new fizz in town.
Full face palettes. These are makeup palettes that have everything you need. I'm talking concealer, foundation, blush, bronzer, the works.
I've actually got a bit of a brand spotlight for you because I am absolutely obsessed with New Look at the minute.
JOMO breaks.
JOMO breaks.
Yep, the joy of missing out.
Oh, all over this. Welcome to Lust List, the show where the fabulous experts bring me, Angellica Bell, the top picks in fashion, beauty, travel and trending. And I get to choose my favourites. Don't agree with what I pick? Let us know in the comments. And remember, you can shop the Lust List through the clickable links throughout the episode and they're all available below. Let's get into it. Beauty writer Mia Lyndon knows her way around a makeup bag. So Mia, what goodies have you brought me today?
Wow, thanks for having me back, Angellica. Something that I'm very excited about that we've seen a lot recently are full body deodorants. Now these basically do what they say on the tin. They're deodorants that can be used across your entire body. Now searches for full body deodorants have gone up by 1000% recently. And of course, during summer, it's not just our armpits that are getting sweaty. We've seen lots of new launches from Lynx, from Shaw. One of my absolute favorites is the Act deodorant, which I have prepared with me. This can be used across your entire body. It's aluminium free. It is the most powerful deodorant I've ever used. Using the paste formula takes a little bit of getting used to, but it's an absolute game changer.
So you've rubbed this all over your body?
Sometimes.
You don't smell at all. It works. Girl, don't stink. So you mean to say you can put this anywhere? On your face, behind your ears, on your arms?
I tend to use it on my underarms, but you can use it across your body.
So you can just whack it in your handbag like a hand cream, but it's just a deodorant?
Give it a smell, Angellica.
Ooh, it smells lovely actually. I feel citrusy, there's a bit of mandarin in there, orange. That's what it says on the label anyway. It's real, it does smell like that. Mia, what else have you brought?
During the summer months, a lot of people are opting for fake tan. I am very lazy when it comes to fake tan. The idea of prepping my skin, the idea of streaks, the idea of removing it just is not for me. There are some really great new innovations from James Reed Tan, which can be popped into your night cream, applied overnight, and then you wake up with that little bit more of a bronze.
Easy as that.
Easy as that.
Love.
Another innovation that I really like that I'm holding in my hand right now, these are the By Terry Tea to Tan Tanning Mist. This you can just spritz over your face or even on your body, give it a little bit of a rub in, it washes off when you do your cleansing routine at night, just gives you that little bit more of a summer glow.
You've got to make it easy if you want to have that glow.
Exactly.
And finally,
I don't know about you, Angellica, but I'm a bit of a nightmare when it comes to packing my liquid allowance for getting on an aeroplane. I'm always there in the queue trying to stuff all my products into a bag. I've got a really great solution for you. Full face palettes. These are makeup palettes that have everything you need. I'm talking concealer, foundation, blush, bronzer, the works. Which means A, it's not part of your liquid allowance and you can just pop it into your hand luggage. It's also flat, so it's really, really easy to pack. And of course, it's got a lovely big mirror if you're doing your makeup on the plane.
you always bring the goods. Where can we get these?
This is what I'm here for, Angellica. Sculpted by Amy has a really lovely face palette. This has got everything you need. All of her shades are beautiful. They're beautifully curated. It's just an absolute gem. Definitely recommend that one to you.
So all shades, even me?
Yes.
Yes. Thank you, Mia, you're a star.
You're very welcome.
Well, Mia brought me full body deodorant, lazy girl tan and full face makeup palettes. It's a no-brainer. I'm picking full face makeup palettes. I need to get my hands on one of those. Well, my next guest knows exactly what's trending. It's fabulous food editor Kirsty Spence. So Kirsty, go on, tell me what's trending now. What are the things I need to know about?
I don't know about you, Angellica, but the soundtrack to my summer is very much the sound of corks popping on ice-cold bottles of fizz. Prosecco girlies, listen up because there is a new fizz in town. Asda is pitching its Garda Fizz as the drink of the summer.
Is it good?
It's good. It's part of its Wine Atlas range. Garda Fizz comes from the Lake Garda region of Italy. It's made in a really similar process to Prosecco.
Squashing grapes?
Yeah, a bit of that. And the result is a lovely, light, sparkling, white peach flavoured fizz. The best bit is that each bottle is only £6.97. £6.97. So if you've got like a summer gathering, a barbecue, or even maybe a wedding that you're stocking up for this summer, then you need to get your hands on these before they sell out.
So that's a shame I can't try it now. While I imagine what the Garda Fizz tastes like, why don't you tell us what the next one is?
So the next trend is a new app. If you love mood boarding and you love Pinterest, you are going to love this new app. It's called Pogo app. It's Pinterest for travel.
So it's almost keeping like a photo diary of where you're going?
Yeah, I mean like reels, photos, you can combine it all together and it just really makes planning the itinerary, so like must visit restaurants and sunset spots, all those things you can bring together in one place.
And finally,
Jason Momoa eats it every morning for breakfast. Vogue magazine called it the unstoppable food trend, and there's a whole hashtag movement devoted to it last year. It might not be the most glamorous of the trends today,
come on, tell us.
But let me tell you that tinned fish is having a moment. I had an email pop into my inbox saying that a new restaurant in Portugal had opened that was devoted to tinned fish. So it's called Vino in the Algarve, and it has 25 different varieties of tinned fish on the menu, from like squid to sardines. I mean, what's not to love?
Do you know what, Kirsty? There's nothing wrong with tinned fish. In my cupboard, I've got a bit of tinned tuna, a bit of tinned mackerel, tinned sardines. Rustle up something nice, and wham bam, thank you ma'am. Hashtag one Celebrity MasterChef in 2017. Thanks, Kirsty. Wow, what a tasty selection.
Thanks, Angelica.
Oh, next time bring the fizz. Kirsty bought me tinned fish, the Pogo app, and Garda Fizz. This is a hard one. I'm a foodie. I love to eat and drink. Can I have two? No? Okay, let's go for the tinned fish, because all those oily fishes make your skin look lovely, and it's nice, light, quick and easy. And if it's good enough for Jason Momoa, it's good enough for jelly. Up next, Deputy Fashion Editor Abby McHale is back with some gorgeous picks for me. What's hot in fashion right now?
Normally, Angelica, when the temperatures soar, hemlines also rise, but also this time, not just for women's wear, I'm talking about men. This time, hemlines have risen for the guys, I'm talking men's short shorts. So this year, we have seen so many male celebrities wearing just really short shorts. Harry Styles, Paul Mescal, and apparently the average inches it should be between your knee and your thigh is 4, and theirs is a lot higher. So yeah, what do you think about, you know, men wearing super short shorts?
Listen, I think that we should be open to all lengths, and if they're going to show a bit more leg, who's complaining?
Exactly. It's not a bad thing to look at, is it?
No, you do you. Let them.
My next one, I've actually got a bit of a brand spotlight for you, because I am absolutely obsessed with New Look at the minute. I just think their summer stuff is just, it looks really premium, it's such good prices, and it just screams summer. Really cute midi dresses with added extra details like little bows on the side, really fun summer fruit prints. It just means that you can get a holiday wardrobe for a really good price, but also I feel like a lot of people will be saying, where did you get that from? And you can say, it's New Look.
It's all about looking good on a budget and not breaking the bank.
Exactly. And my last one, I'm actually wearing, it's Gingham. It has been around this year, it's still as big as ever, it's really good for summer, it's such a nice fabric, you don't have to look like you're wearing a picnic blanket. I think people realise now that it's trendy. I've got this is actually a Zara skirt, but they're all over the high street. Even in New Look have some Gingham dresses as well. And if you want to go a bit more high-end, you can have a lot of Gingham as well. And it's just a really sweet print to wear for summer. I mean, would you wear it?
I would wear it. It reminds me of something I had when I was younger. I think I had a puffball Gingham skirt. Not that I've still got that now, but I might have to get down to the shops and get me some Gingham and just feel out there. It's summery, it's spring, and then I could use it as a picnic blanket.
Doubles up.
Yeah, don't judge me. Abby, thank you so much. I'll see you later. You can leave the skirt. Do you know what? Abby came through with men's short shorts, New Look gems, and Gingham. I'm going to go with Gingham because I just think it just looks cool, twee, and will be perfect for summer. My next guest is no stranger to jet setting. It's fabulous lifestyle editor Catherine Bennion Pedley. Hello, Catherine. So tell us what's hot in travel right now.
Well, this week I've got for you safari staycays because of the brand new opening at Chester Zoo called The Reserve, where you can stay looking out over the giraffes. If you pay the big bucks, you can even feed them from your balcony.
That sounds cool. So you don't have to go abroad, get the jet lag to go on safari, but you can't guarantee the weather.
No, but it's a taste of Africa up in the northwest.
Yeah, loving it.
Starting prices are not that bad. They're £250 per person per night.
So a nice little treat,
Yeah.
especially if you're staying in this country.
Exactly. So second, I have got SPF stickers, which are really great little stickers, translucent, that you put on your skin and they change colour to let you know you should be reapplying your SPF.
I think that is so good, especially during the summer, but you should be wearing SPF all year round.
Totally. They're really good if you're forgetful, and they're also really good for like cloudy days, or if you're by the coast and it's really breezy and you just don't feel your skin heating up. That's when you get the unexpected sunburn. Also, they're sweat-proof and waterproof.
Even better. Let's look after the skin. So what's your third last list?
My third last list is JOMO breaks.
JOMO breaks.
Yep, the joy of missing out.
Oh, I'm all over this.
Exactly. Whether you're surfing in Hawaii or want to go off-grid in a cottage in Wales, it's all about unplugging, putting your phone in the hotel safe or at the bottom of your backpack and really immersing yourself in your holiday, making your annual leave work for you or your weekends.
So is this something you choose for yourself, that you have to just go JOMO and forget FOMO?
Exactly. I did it this weekend.
Is that why you didn't message me back?
Yeah.
I love that idea. JOMO, but remember, if you're going to do it, make sure you turn your phone back on because next week, Last List is back. Thank you, Catherine. You can pop off now. Well, Catherine bought me safari staycations, SPF stickers and JOMO breaks. It is a tough one. As much as I love JOMO breaks, I think you should do that anyway. I'm going to go for SPF stickers because we're going to look after our health and look after our skin. Fact. So, this week, my Last List picks are full face palettes, tinned fish, SPF stickers and gingham. Remember to comment with what you would have chosen and you can shop the Last List with the links below because we love you. Like and subscribe to the Fabulous channel. I've been Angellica Bell. Thank you for watching.